guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how I created this spring makeup look with a pop of color, and I really love how it turned out because I've never tried a colorful eyeliner before. I always had a black one, but I really like it. So, by the way, this video is not sponsored by NYX, so I bought all the products and this by my own, from my own money. So it's a very simple and easy makeup look. I think we should get started and let's get on to the video. Like always, I just start with the eyes and I'm just applying some tape along the lower lash line. And for my crease, I'm taking this brown eyeshadow from the Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced and I'm just blending it out. And the reason why I always apply tape along the lower lash line is that the wing always appears very sharp and precise when I do this, and it's the perfect guideline if you want to do a winged eyeliner. And here we go, that's the eyeliner. It's the one by NYX and it's beautiful green. It's so beautiful, and as you can see, I used this tape as a guideline because I wouldn't be able to do a precise wing if I wouldn't use a tape. So that's a great tip if you are as not talented in doing a wing like me. And I think this color is perfect for spring and summer because it's so fresh and I love green. It's so beautiful. And then I'm just removing the tape. And as you can see, the wings are so sharp and precise. And now moving on to the face, I'm starting off with primer, and it's a pore minimizing one. So perfect for me because I have so large pores around my nose and on my forehead. So I put it on these spots and then I'm blending it out. And then I'm going to pull back my hair because it was a little bit in my way. And for foundation, I'm taking this Fit Me foundation by Maybelline and I'm mixing it in with the Lightening Drops by Catrice because this foundation was way too dark for me now. And I'm always putting about 2.5 pumps on the back of my hand. And then I'm going in with these drops. And as you can see, I just mix it together. And then I match it with my neck until it's perfect. And then I'm just applying it on my face. And you can see the foundation is still a little bit darker than my face, but it's okay because I will blend it down in a second, down my neck. And for that I'm just using this BH Cosmetics sponge, and that's my favorite because it has the perfect amount of softness. It's not too soft, but also not too stiff and hard, so that's great, and it's so affordable, so yeah, perfect. And I'm also blending it into my hairline. Yeah, it was a little bit on my hair, but that's okay. And then I just did my eyebrows off camera. I just slightly filled them in. And for my concealer, I took two, the one from Catrice, the liquid Camouflage, and the one from Manhattan, the Wake Up Concealer. And I always use these two together because they give me the perfect color, and so perfect. I just put them underneath my eyes. And then I just take the same beauty sponge again to blend this all out. And you will find the names of the products in the description box down below. And then I just took a little bit more of the concealer because I had so much purple going on the inner corners of my eyes. And I love this combination of these concealers because they take away all the darkness from my under eyes. And then I set it all in place with this Catrice Nude Illusion Powder. And I'm just taking a little bit and then tapping it off. And I just place it on the places I've put concealer on. And to cover my pores, I just like to dip in the sponge into the rest of the powder and press it against the pores. And then I'm taking this dark brown color from the same palette again, and I'm just running it along my lower lash line. And for mascara, I'm taking this Astor one, and I just love it because it gives you so much volume and it's so affordable. I just like it. It's my go-to mascara. And just because I wanted to have more drama going on my lashes, I decided to take this Lash Sensational one too. And you can also use false lashes if you want, but I just decided not to use them because I'm not very good at applying them. And so I just tried my best with my natural lashes. And as you can see, I just applied too many layers, but that's okay. And for my lower lashes, I'm taking the Astor mascara again. And for bronzer, I'm taking the Max Factor one, and that's great for summer and spring because it has such a natural glow in it, and it always gives me such a very sun-kissed natural look, and that's so perfect. And because of the glow in it, you can totally skip highlights if you want, but I just do it because I love highlighter. So yeah, I'm just blending it all in, and then I'm taking a little bit onto my forehead. And then I'm going in with blush, and that's my favorite blush palette because it's so perfect. It has so many colors in it, and I always like to mix them all together. And then I'm just applying the blush onto the apples of my cheeks. And for my waterline, I'm taking this nude pencil because I think it's beautiful when you apply it, because it always looks like you have bigger eyes than you actually have. And for highlight, I'm taking this Catrice one, and I'm just applying it on the highest points of my face. And I like this highlighter because it's so affordable and it's so glowing, so it's so beautiful. And I'm also applying it onto my inner corners to highlight a little bit. And then I'm taking this L.O.V fixing spray, and I just apply it onto my sponge. And then I press it onto the highlights to intensify this highlight a little bit more. And for my lips, I'm taking this NYX lip gloss, and it's so beautiful. It's nude and matte, so perfect for spring and summer, and I think it fits perfectly to this look. But you can also use another lip color, because I think with this look every lip color would be perfect. You got red or purple, that's totally up to you. And I'm just taking a little bit of concealer to sharpen my contour of my lips. And that's the finished look. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!